Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to basically replace the LED screen of Dell Vostro 14-3446. Now if your laptop looks something like this, it might be a grey or a red, and once opened it looks like this, and the base basically is something like this. Then you can apply this particular procedure. Now to start with, you need to have a screwdriver set, and you need to have a prior or a credit card to open it up. The first thing you need to do is flip the laptop, and you need to remove the battery. There's one notch over here and another notch over here. Press both of them and you just need to remove the battery like this. The battery will be off. Then you can flip the laptop back and open it. Now you have to take a prior and start protruding. There are no screws whatsoever, just start protruding. And then remove this particular top bezel will give away, and the screen is exposed. And there are these 4 screws that we need to remove now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now once you've removed the screws, the LED will basically give away. The frame will give away the LED, and you can keep the LED down like this. Now this laptop basically has a 14.0 paper LED, which is 30 pin connector. There is a small pin connector, and you need to place an order for a 14.0 paper LED. The connector here is smaller than the normal one. We need to just remove the stickering that is there over here. And then you will find a small little notch over here, as you can see. There's a sort of a notch here. Just need to open that notch. This will give away like this little notch. And then very gently you need to remove the cable. The cable is out now. Now we've got a new LED screen here. The 14.0 LED with a 30 pin connector, as you can see. We need to now fit it. Just take a small tape here and fix it so that it does not have any problem in the future. Fix it like this. Now once the LED screen has been fitted, the VGA cable has been fitted, we need to fit the LED screen. Just need to put it back here like this. There are these notches which it will hold on to, and now we need to put the screws back. Once the screws are fitted, you need to put in the top bezel back. Start pressing. The entire flower bracket pattern should fit in the laptop. check once. Over here you can see there will be a little bit of, you just need to, yeah, once pressed here. Let's check here also, it's been fine, and you're good to go. This, my friends, is a video showing you how to replace the LED screen of the Dell Vostro 3446. Hope you liked the video. You need to buy a 14.0 paper LED with a 30-pin connector to replace it. Say in a case it is damaged, or maybe the LED backlight is off. You're just able to see Dell logo very vaguely somewhere without the lighting, very low brightness. You need to replace the LED screen. So this particular LED is available on our website texto.coroten. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and do not forget to subscribe to us.